Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got a big old box today. I'm not sure what's inside. If this is Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. If it's their website link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. And they'll ship this to you pretty fast. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is freaking snowing. Look at this. Tomorrow's my birthday and we got snow. Unreal. It's like an inch. But it's not even cold out. So it's kind of weird. But yeah, you can see the snow. Not cool though. So definitely staying home today. And taking it easy for this day, Monday. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside. Box number 1 today. Oh man, got cut in a few places. Not sure what this is, to be honest. Oh boy. Oh man. What is this? Oh. I know what this is. This is coming from Philips. So I do believe it's Amazon. I think this is just like packaging. I'll take a look though, but I think it's to protect this item. What is this? Philips EasyKey Smart Door Viewer. Whoa. Alright. Hold on 1 sec, I'm gonna pause you guys. There we go. This big guy was in the way. So now couple cuts, and there we go. What is this? What is this? Easy Smart Door. Got some wooden. This is interesting. And that's everything out of the box. Okay. Got it all out. So, clean that up. Move that there. Down here. Oh boy. We got some screws. Drop you guys down now. We got some room. Alright, well here's the screws. We got all this styrofoam everywhere. We got this thing. It's like the interesting setup there. I've never seen a thing like this before. And we got open. We got this like a plastic. What is this? There's a sticker on it. And then it has the Philips and a keyhole, peephole type deal. I don't know how we're gonna set this up. Hopefully we got directions smart door viewer, infrared night vision, anti-privacy and anti-theft, 1080p camera, encrypted cloud, 854 480 resolution, 170 big wide angle, remote visual call, magnetic stand, PIR human body detection, remote check-in from your smartphone, Wi-Fi, large picture lens, built-in electronic doorbell. Does this go outside? If so, I can't go out there today and set this up because of the weather. But we can figure this out. Or is this like a setup display type deal? Like you see at Costco's or Walmart's type deal. Like kiosks. Trouble opening this box. Alright, let me pause you guys. Okay guys, I got it open finally. Jeez, that little guy. I think this is a screen or the doorbell thing. We'll figure that out once we get it. That part going. Here's like a doorknob. And this must be USB. Yep. Come on out. Alright, we got it. Remote control. Here's a plate. Some screws. USB. Empty. Definitely need this user manual. First time ever setting this up. So if I can install it, you could too. What is this? So this is smart viewer. USB right there. Reset button right there. We'll do that last. So I just gotta figure out now how to set that. This is Philips EasyKey. It's called. Get that out of the way. Okay, got that. Guys, we got it set up right there. Got the camera right here in front, or the screen. So I already got that. I got to scan the QR code in a minute. I'll show you the app you got to install. It's a Philips Easy app. Right there's the camera, doorbell. I mean, doorbell works right now. I just got to set it up more. But right now, like I said, it's snowing out, so I'm going to use this as a display. Really nice screen. Got a door lock, smart detection, connect to your Wi-Fi, and display you can do like that. And then watch this. Doors right here. See, it's gonna connect. And here's the app. So I gotta do that. Enter my password.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
gotta turn it on. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it back on. Everything is working, set up good. Once it gets cleared up outside and stuff, I'll figure out either probably keep this as my backdoor camera. But look at this. We got it live right here. And here's the other side. Oops, camera fell. I just gotta put it back in the hole. But this is like a display unit you see at stores. How they have it set up, you know. But everything works perfectly. Easy to connect, especially through the app. You can see it right here. Through the mobile phone app. You got a microphone. Oops. Allowed. I thought I had permissions. Camera. Yep. Okay, there we go. There we go. See? And then gotta find the mic. There we go. I just had to switch the permissions on your phone. And now, there we go. See on the camera? Hello. 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 I gotta turn the volume up. Yeah, there we go. But there's a lot of cool features on this screen here. Doorbell. So there's camera. Let's click on that. Where did it go? Come on. There we go. And then got that rolling right here. There we go. Hello. Should maybe ring the doorbell. See, it picks up right away. So that's really cool. Really responsive. Take photos. Turn it sideways. Auto rotate. There we go. That right there. So really cool. Everything works great. Like I said, check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Until then, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night, and see you soon.